Welcome to Mr. Hanson Math. I'm Mr. Hanson. Let me help you do some math. Today we're going to learn about adding integers. Nobody likes that word. What does that word mean? Let's start there and then we'll get into taking care of some business. An integer is a positive or negative whole number. I try to keep my videos short, so if this video is enough for you and you understand the concept, then that's fine. I think that's great. But I understand that probably most of you will need some additional help. So at the end of the video, I've provided a link. Click on that link and I have another video where I just work out more problems. I explain it as I go. I explain my steps as I go. It's not this same video again. It is, this video is intended to teach you the steps and the process and the rules. And then the video at the end where or the link at the end, the new video I have, is just like me working out more homework problems. I just work out the steps, I explain myself as I go, and that should provide additional help and review and exposure to more problems where I think it would help you understand this principle better. Please click that link at the end of the video if you need it. An integer is a positive or negative whole number. Some examples of integers would be 3, negative 5, centene, negative 400,263, 28, whatever, large or small, positive or negative whole numbers, we're going to be adding them. Problems like 4 plus 2, only they're going to increase in complexity. We're going to get into negatives. So let's start out 4 plus 2, obviously that's 6, something like 5 plus 10, that'd be 15. So those are the easy ones. Positive number plus a positive number. Now what I do when I add integers is I go to war. And I don't really understand it. I'm talking 1700s times time of going to war. Is you'd line up a bunch of folk over here, you line up a bunch of folk over here, and they'd shoot each other. They would just line up, and okay, there's the bad guys, you guys, get in line. Get in line. Now the guys would be like, okay, hold on, don't shoot. We're not in line yet. You guys that are over there really close to us, don't shoot, please. We're going to get in line now. Okay, you guys get in line. These guys line up. Okay, looking good. Joey, move up, move up. You're like, okay, that's good. Okay, the rest of you guys, all right. Okay, we're ready. The other guys, hold on, don't shoot yet. We line up, they line up. Okay, so okay, we're ready. Who's gonna shoot first? I don't know how they picked who shot first, but they line up and you'd shoot directly across to the guy on the other side. And the front, only the front rows could shoot. The other guys, poor souls, they would just hope to not get hit. And then after this volley and then the companion volley, take care of your dead and wounded. And whoever was missing, they would move up one slot. And they would just keep going till you got to the front. And it was your turn to shoot. And maybe it lasts a couple rounds, maybe you didn't. But that's what we're going to do when we're adding integers, is we're going to put people on both sides and we're going to go to war. For instance, let's say 3 plus negative 1. 3 plus negative 1. I got 3 guys lining up on this side. I got 1 guy lining up on this side. These guys are good guys, these guys are bad guys. I got 3 guys right there. I got 1 guy's right there. You notice I put these positive and this guy negative because that's positive and then that's negative. And after they line up, these guys are going to shoot each other. They eliminate each other, and now you got to count up how many people and what team they're on, how many people and what team. How many people? 1, 2 remain. What team? Positive, the good guy team. So the answer is positive 2. We just solved our first problem. We just added integers. Let's get it more complicated. Let's say 6 plus negative 3. I got 6 guys lined up over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got 3 guys lined up over here. And my 6 guys right here, I'm going to put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Line them up ready to go to war. I got to tell you what team they're on. They're all good guys. And I got 3 bad guys. 1, 2, 3 bad guys. I can go minus, 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 because they're bad guys. And then what I'm going to do is they're just going to shoot straight across. These guys shoot each other. These guys shoot each other. These guys shoot each other. Now you got to tell me how many people and what team are they on. How many people, what team are they on. The answer to it, adding integers problem, is to find out the value and the sign. So I got 1, 2, 3 people still alive, and they're plus, plus, plus. They're all in the good guys. The answer is going to be positive 3. What if they put the negative number first? What if your teacher's devious? Puts the negative number first. Guess what? I don't care. I line them up, go to war. I got 1 step right here. Go to war. So I got 2 bad guys. 1, 2. That's too bad right there. That's too bad. Okay, then I got 5 good guys right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy. They're going to go to war. These guys blast each other. These guys blast each other. How many people, what team? 1, 2, tree. Tree people. And what team? It's on the positives. They're all positives. So the answer is positive 3. Negative 2 plus 5 equals 3. All right, let's try again. Negative 8 plus 1. Pick up the pace a little bit here. I got 8 bad guys. Line them up. 8 bad. And you just think about it. Before we can get to the answer, see if you can figure this out maybe. Just think about it. You got 8 people lined up over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 1 people lined up over here. They're going to shoot. How many people are still going to be alive? And what is the team going to be? What sign will it be? Let's put it on here real quick. See if you're right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bad guy, 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 bad guy. And then 1 good guy. Oh, come on, buddy. Fight the fight. Fight the good fight. He's overwhelmed. He's going to take out 1 guy, though, on his way. And how many people and what team? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sin. There are sin people that survive that. What team are they under? They're negatives. The answer would be negative 7. Negative 8 plus 1 equals negative 7. There's our solution. I hope you're picking this up. It's as simple as that. It's very straightforward. Is you just line them up. Each guy cancels the guy on the other side out. And you get find out how many people are alive and what team they're on. Let's keep rolling. What if they put parentheses? 4 plus negative 5. Guess what? I don't care. When you have a plus sign touching a grouping symbol, I don't care if it's a parenthesis, a bracket, or a brace, any one of those grouping symbols. When you have a plus sign touching the grouping symbol, you're allowed to drop those grouping symbols. They're unnecessary. Drop it like it's hot. So this one, I'm just going to drop them. I'm going to put 4 plus negative 5. They're just trying to fool you. They're trying to intimidate you. Don't let them. So 4 plus negative 5, I'm going to put 4 good guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy. And then I have 5 bad guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bad guys. Bad guy, bad guy, bad guy, bad guy, bad guy. Okay, how many people, what team? I got 1 people, and he's on the bad guys. He's on the bad guys. Then that makes sense. If you have 4 good guys, 5 bad guys, these guys are going to shoot. These guys are all going to die, and you're going to have 1 dude left, and it's on the dude's team that had the more people. So negative 1. Negative 1. All right, let's hit. Well, let me talk to you about what happens, something that you already know, something like tree plus 2. Tree plus 2. So you got tree plus 2. You already know it's 5. I'm just showing you with the good guys and bad guys. 1, 2, 3, good guy, good guy, good guy. 1, 2, good guy, good guy. They're not going to shoot each other. That's the key. That you don't shoot each other and have like 1 left. What is 3 plus 2 equal 1 now? Yeah, no. Going to war still works. It's just that these guys are going to team up. You're going to have 3 guys over here on patrol. They're out there scouting. Like, hey, dude, what did you do yesterday? Oh, I mowed the lawn of my neighbor. Oh, dude, you're such a good person. And then these 2 guys, they're also walking along. They're on patrol. Like, hey, dude, what did you do yesterday? I cleaned my room because my mom wanted me to. Oh, you're such a good person. And they kind of, and guess what? 3 good guys plus 2 good guys is 5 good guys. And on the same team, that's what I'm saying. You team up. You team up. So tree plus 2 is going to be equal to 5. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all positive. The answer would be 5. So it still works, is what I'm trying to say. What if you have a negative plus a negative? That's the whole problem. Negative 4 plus negative 2. Guess what? I don't care. Go to war. It always works for addition. Whenever you're adding integers, just go to war. Line them up. You got 4 bad guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad guy, bad guy, bad guy, bad guy. You got 2 bad guys over here. And even though they're bad, they still don't shoot each other. They team up also. You got 4 bad guys walking along here. Hey, dude, what did you do yesterday? I didn't help an old lady cross the road. Oh, you're so bad. You got these other 2 guys walking along here. Hey, dude, what did you do yesterday? And he was like, I cheated on my math homework. Oh, you're bad. And they get up. How many people and what team? They're going to team up. You got 4 plus 2 is 6. You actually add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it ain't 6. It ain't 6. Did you catch it already? The bottom line is they're all bad guys. You team up. You team up, it's going to be negative 6. Negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Let's say something like negative 10 plus negative 10. Hey, maybe you know already. Maybe you know. 10 bad guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 bad guys. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're all bad guys. So 10 bad guys plus 10 bad guys, they line up, they don't shoot, they team up, so you add them up together. 10 plus 10 is 20. The answer is not 20, though. The answer is bad guys is more bad guys. You get even more bad guys. 10 bad guys plus 10 bad guys equals 20 bad guys. Negative 20, as they say. All right, so I got one more rule, or tip actually. If your numbers are of the same sign or the same team, then you're going to add them up. Or you could say that they team up. And if they're on the opposite sign, if they have opposite sign, or if they're on the opposite team, you could say that you take the big number minus the small number. Big number minus the small number. What does that mean? Well, we've done this already. You take the big number minus the small number. 3 minus 1, that's 2. What I'm trying to say is you line up the teams. Let's do one, for example, let's do, say, this one again, 4 plus negative 5. 4 plus negative 5. You tell me you got four good guys and 5 bad guys. You know that these guys are going to shoot, so you're going to take away 4 people. You're going to subtract. Take away means subtract. So you're going to take away, you have 5 guys, you're going to take away 4 of them because they match up. You take away 4 and you're left with 1. You take the big number, 5, minus the small number, 4. Yeah, but actually negative 5 is smaller than 4. Yeah, whatever, nerd. I know. I'm talking about the absolute value of negative 5 and the absolute value of 4. The absolute value of negative 5 is larger than the absolute value of 4. So stop, pipe down. Stop bothering my viewers. For what we're talking about, I'm going to say the absolute value. So the absolute value of 5 is larger than the absolute value of 4. So 5 is bigger than 4. Big number minus small number. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. But to find out the team, you got to find out who had more people to start with. Whoever's got the most people, that's what team's going to win. 5 is bigger than 4, so the answer is going to be negative 1. And that's what we got over here, wherever we got it, right here, negative 1. So let's do some more problems, but maybe even bigger numbers. Let's say negative 20 plus 25. Yeah, negative 20 plus 25. I'm not going to draw any circles, folks. I got time. I got a place to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say it's opposite sign, negative and positive. They have the opposite sign. So just take the big number minus small number. 25 minus 20 is 5. And then to find out what team you are, look who's got the most amount of people. They got 25, they got 20. These guys got more, they're positive. The answer is positive 5. The answer is positive 5. Let's keep rolling. 100 plus negative 2. Is that 102 or is that 98? Is that negative 90? I guess what, I don't care. Take the big number minus small number. I told you big number minus small number. 100 minus 2 is 98. Because you see, 2 people are going to die. That's what I'm saying. You got 100 people, but 2 of them are going to die. You take away 2 or subtract 2. Big number minus 2. And then 98, and then they got way more people, so the answer is going to be positive 98. What about negative 40 plus negative 25? Well, the fact is that they're on the same team. So you're going to add them up. They're going to team up. They're on patrol. 40 people, 25 people, same team. They don't shoot. They team up. You add them. That's what I'm saying. Add them up. 40 plus 25 is 65, but it's not 65. You got to find out what you got. A number sign, number sign, number sign, number sign. You find the number, find the sign, find the number, find the sign. To find out the sign, you see what team they're negatives. They're all negatives. They're still going to be negatives. Negative people, bad people all over the place. Deal with it. What about negative 5 million plus negative 1? Eesh. Is that 4,999,900? No, it's not. They're on the same team. So you add them up. 5 million plus 1 equals 5 million and 1. And what team are they on? Bad guys plus bad guys? They're still bad guys. Still bad guys. What if they're using gross brackets? Negative tree plus negative 1. Well, did I tell you over here, when a plus sign touches a grouping symbol, you can drop them? I don't care if they're parentheses or brackets or braces or whatever. If a number touches a grouping symbol, you can drop it like it's hot. So I can just rewrite it. Negative tree plus negative 1. They're on the same team. I know what to do. Add them up. So 3 plus 1, 4. Bad guys plus bad guys is still bad guys. The answer is negative 4. Got that. I think that's it for our add and integer lessons. I botched it over here. I kind of redid some of it. But I think that's about the end of it. I got to subtract integers as well as probably multiply and divide integers if you want to click on those. But that's it for adding integers. Don't forget to stop learning. I mean, never stop learning. And you guys, if that video was too short, if that video didn't have enough examples, if that video was just shy of, you're a little shaky, but you think you kind of got it, but you're a little shaky and need some more help, I want you to click on this video right here. What I did is I made a video with more problems where I work out more problems. I don't just repeat what I just said. That'd be a waste of time. You can review this one, rewind it. Or who rewinds? Just start over at the beginning. But what I did is just do more problems. I still explain every step that I take. I just don't develop, I don't work out the process. I just use the process. So click on that link. I got more problems, and hopefully that helps you lead you to success.